Hai, kami adalah molekul.
For a chemical reaction to occur, the reactant particle must collide with one another.
Hello, so this is Ashkin alter ego. So, the requirement for effective collision is the colliding molecule must collide in correct orientation. But as we can see here, they did not collide in correct orientation, so the effective collision will not be occur. Next, we can see that in this scenario, the colliding molecule is in correct orientation, but it does not possess enough energy, so the effective collision will not be occur. So, for effective collision to occur, the colliding molecule must collide in correct orientation and it must possess enough energy. So, it will look something like this.
Oh, begitu. Bah,